Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I am now working with Cobeads as a design team member. I got to pick some items and I am going to show you what I picked out. And the cool thing with Cobeads is when you buy from them, you're buying in bulk. And you get a lot of stuff for a little money. And the shipping is not that bad either. And so without further ado, let me show you what I picked out for my design team package. So I picked out some tulle in pink, and look how much you get, guys. This is amazing. So I got this one. So it's 6 inches by 100 yards. That is awesome. And then I also got it in this teal color. Same thing. Do you see how much you get? That is just awesome. Okay. Then I also picked out these bottles for your glue and with the fine tip right there. Let me show y'all. You get 10 in a package, which is amazing. If I can get the bag open. So they come like this. And then you just put your glue in there. You add that on. And you screw it together. And then you have your fine tip. And you have your glue stopper. Isn't that awesome? So I got those. And then I got a quilling kit that comes in a box like this. And I'm going to show you everything you get in it, which is a lot. So you get some scissors, your tools that you will need, your basic tools, some tweezers, you get 2 quilling tools right here, these 2, and then you get 2 of these little picks. You get your little pens to hold stuff down. You get a glue bottle, which is a different size than this, as you can see, which is nice. You get your curling coach. Trying to dig through. Okay. Then you get a couple of these. So you get this right here, which helps you make the different styles of quilling. So that is really nice. And then you get this one that's laminated. Then you get this. Oh, that is right. Like that. And then you get a ton of paper. So you get this one. This one, some purples, some yellows, some blues, pinks, some orange and yellows, your browns, and your bright pinks and burgundies. And that is your kit. So I am going to come back and do some projects and share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my design team package opening and unboxing, and I hope you come back and see the projects that I make with them. I will share a coupon down in the description box that you can use to place an order, and I hope you use it, guys. All right, love you. Bye.